My name is Teddy Miller, and I've had the Google Glass for about a week now. I absolutely love it. It's been life-changing. I found it on the Google website. I went and searched for the Google Glass, and I actually became a new Google Glass Explorer. There was like 1 billion people that they went through, and they chose me to be an explorer, so that was great. I could take photos and video and search online and get directions. So the features there's a lot of features. If I go to the grocery store and forget something at home, I can go back and see what I forgot instead of looking through all my groceries, which I have done because I spent all my money on this. If you see a pretty girl walking down the street, that's a little creepy, but you can do it all through the Google Glass. Taking pictures with a Google Glass is fantastic. I started my own business. I am now a photographer. I just got my 16th follower on Instagram, and it's so easy. And instead of having to move the camera and focus and get different shots, I just move my head. So I can get a shot like this, or like this, or like that. If I want to zoom in, I can just zoom in. Or if I want a wide shot, I can go back here. That makes it easier. I've been known to take a lot of selfies. With the Google Glass, now I don't have to take a picture of myself. I can just look in the mirror and it's right there. Selfie's that easy. At first I couldn't feel them at all, and there's no lenses here really except this little square. You kind of forget you have them on, but after a while the sides started getting really warm. Is that okay? It might be burning my... Well, it's okay. It's okay. I tried to get the Google Glass to help me with some of my harder tasks. I tried to ask it to make me a sandwich, and it didn't make me a sandwich. With all this new technology that I'm wearing on my face, I figured I'd be able to see better at night. Well, I was wrong. I'm proud to say that I am the newest Google Glass Explorer, and I'm pretty optimistic that this is the future of communication through your eye.